What's up, guys? Gary with Self.dev. Wanted to do a quick little update video again. I went to a free code camp meetup today, and a couple people there were pretty good with React, and asked them a couple questions, and React finally started clicking. And I actually got my vanilla JavaScript random quote generator, and I got it converted over to a React app now. So finally getting the project with React done. I converted it from a vanilla JavaScript one I'd already done, but hey, it still counts. I'm gonna work on finishing Team Treehouse project number 9 this week, the photo gallery thing. You have to interact with like the Flickr API and like pull images in. So that's gonna be combining a lot of my skills, I think. So I'll have to use like Ajax request to get the API, I guess. But yeah, you want to see it. It still looks the exact same as the other one. So I just hosted on Sandbox or Code Sandbox because I don't know how to post it to my website. But yeah, still gets us new quotes, background still changes, and we got it all in a component here. And yeah, super pumped about it, getting that down. Anything else I need to update you guys on? Slack, if you want to come hang out, starting a new challenge in a couple days. Fast food challenge, kind of folded on that halfway through. It's just too tempting, and not having food prepped at home was making it too easy to, yeah, I failed, whatever. But yeah, next month I think we're gonna start out smaller. We're gonna do no soft drinks, and if I can do a month of no soft drinks, actually, I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I like soft drinks, they're really good, but I don't need to drink them because they're horrible for you. So might do that, might not, we'll see. Come join Slack and you can join in with me. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave it down in the description. I get a bonus next month, so I'm gonna buy a new computer and start doing some tutorials because my laptop is near the end of its life, I guess you could say. They can't really process like screen sharing or like screen recording while I do other stuff on there. And installing, like running like Create React app is really slow on it too. So hopefully new computer will speed that up a little bit. But yeah, like I was saying, if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave it in the comments below. Feel free to come follow me on social media and stuff. It's going to be in the description, and I will see you next time. Peace.